Have you ever wondered if it's better to start your seeds indoors under cozy grow lights or outdoors in the wild, unpredictable embrace of nature? Well, stick around because today we're diving into the juicy debate of starting seeds indoors versus outdoors. We'll uncover expert secrets, pro tips, and a few surprises that'll make your green thumb tingle. Oh, and if you love growing stuff as much as we do, hit that like button, share this with your plant-loving pals, and subscribe for more gardening gold. Let's start indoors. Think of it as the VIP lounge for your seeds. You've got total control temperature, light, moisture, all dialed in like a plant spa. Experts say this is perfect for tricky seeds like tomatoes or peppers that need a head start before the frost says goodbye. Pro tip: use a heat mat to keep soil at a toasty 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Seeds germinate faster when they're feeling the warmth. But here's the catch: too much coddling can lead to leggy seedlings if your lights aren't strong enough. Curious about lighting? LED grow lights are the gold standard now, energy efficient and customizable. Who knew plants could be so high-tech? Now let's step outside, where seeds face the elements like little warriors. Direct sowing outdoors works wonders for tough cookies like peas, carrots, or sunflowers that don't mind a chilly spring breeze. The sun's free, the soil's alive with microbes, and there's no transplant shock. Nature's got it covered. Pro tip: check your last frost date and wait for soil to hit at least 60 degrees Fahrenheit for most seeds. Stick a thermometer in there, it's like a treasure hunt. But beware, birds, bugs, and rogue rainstorms might crash the party. Ever wonder why some gardeners swear by this? It's low fuss and feels like a victory when those sprouts pop up. So, indoors or outdoors, which wins? It's not that simple. Indoors gives you a jump on the season, think 6 to 8 weeks earlier harvests, perfect if you're impatient or live where summers are short. Outdoors saves space and cash, no fancy gear needed, but timing's everything. Experts mix it up, start finicky flowers inside, sow hardy veggies outside. Here's a fun twist. Did you know some seeds, like cilantro, hate being transplanted and sulk if you start them indoors? Mind blown. Test both methods and see what your garden vibe is. Plants have personalities too. Before we wrap up, let's drop some pro wisdom. Indoors, don't overwater, soggy soil is a seedling's nightmare. Use a spray bottle for precision. Outdoors, protect your babies with row covers to outsmart pests. Think of it as a plant force field. Common goof-ups? Forgetting to harden off indoor seedlings. Those pampered plants need a week of tough love outside before transplanting, or they'll flop. And here's a quirky tip talk to your seeds. Studies say plants respond to vibes. Who's trying that tonight? There you have it, the showdown of starting seeds indoors versus outdoors. Whether you're a control freak or a nature nut, there's a method calling your name. What's your go-to way to kick off your garden? Drop it in the comments, I'm dying to know. If this video sprouted some ideas, smash that like button, share it with your crew, and subscribe so you never miss a tip. Until next time, keep growing, keep glowing, and let's make those gardens thrive.